All right, math whizzes. Here's a fun one for you. Alex can wash a Lamborghini in 30 minutes, and Jack can wash the same Lambo in 20 minutes. Now, if these two team up to give that shiny beast a good scrub, how long will it take them working together? Got a guess? Drop it in the comments. And stick around because I'm about to show you how to solve this step by step. But first, quick intro. This is Learner's Academy. We've been teaching math for years, helping people like you turn tricky problems into light bulb moments. If you enjoy this, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out our channel for more math fun. Back to the problem. So here's the setup. Alex's rate of doing work is 30 minutes per Lamborghini. Jack's rate of doing work is 20 minutes per Lamborghini. Together, that's the big question. Now, common sense check. If Jack can do the job solo in 20 minutes, adding Alex to the mix shouldn't make it take longer, right? So the time has to be less than 20 minutes. But how much less? Let's break it down. If you worked it out, congrats. You've earned yourself a virtual high five. If you guessed something like 25 minutes by averaging their times, let me explain why that's not right and walk you through the real solution. For problems like this, use this trusty formula. 1 by t equal 1 by p1 plus 1 by p2. Here's what it means. T equal total time working together. That's what we're solving for. P1 is time for Alex to wash the Lambo, which is equal to 30 minutes. P2 is time for Jack, which is equal to 20 minutes. Now plug in the numbers. 1 by t equal 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20. Time for some math. The least common denominator of 30 and 20 is 60. Multiplying everything by 60 clears the fractions. Here's what happens. First, 60 multiplied 1 by 30 equal 2. Then 60 multiplied 1 by 20 equal 3. Now add them together. 2 plus 3 equal 5. So 1 by t equals 5 by 60. Flip it to solve for t. And t equals 60 by 5, which comes out to be 12 minutes. Boom! Alex and Jack can wash that Lambo in just 12 minutes working together. Not bad for a dream team, right? Why it works. This formula calculates their combined rate. Think of it like this. Alex's rate equal 1 Lamborghini per 30 minutes. Jack's rate equal 1 Lamborghini per 20 minutes. When you add their rates, you get the combined rate. Then, it's just a matter of solving for the time. Teamwork problems like this can get trickier, especially if we throw in more people or cars. But once you get the hang of the formula, these problems become super manageable. And there you have it. If this helped you, hit that like button and share it with a friend. All right, math and car fans, keep shining and have an amazing day.